Welcome back with another video. In this video I will show you how to fix the low FPS problem on the Creo 2 in Windows 10 or 11 on PC. So if you are facing this problem, I will show you how to fix it. I will tell you every step and you have to follow them. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch the video.